Have you ever wondered what it takes to build an airplane so enormous that even other aircraft look tiny beside it? From giant cargo planes and record-breaking military aircraft to massive passenger jets, aviation history is filled with machines that pushed the limits of size, weight, and engineering. Today, we're counting down 10 of the biggest airplanes ever built.
Number 10. Boeing 747-8. Starting our list is the Boeing 747-8, one of the largest passenger aircraft ever produced. With a length of around 76 meters and a wingspan of nearly 69 meters, this four-engine giant is longer than many city blocks. The 747-8 can carry hundreds of passengers in its commercial configuration, while the freighter version was designed to transport enormous amounts of cargo. Its distinctive hump-shaped upper deck has made the 747 one of the most recognizable aircraft in aviation history. Even after decades of development in aviation, the 747-8 remains an impressive example of how far conventional aircraft design can be pushed. Number 9. Antonov An-225 Ruslan. At number 9 is the Antonov An-225 Ruslan, a massive Ukrainian-designed strategic airlift aircraft. The An-124 was created to transport extremely large and heavy military and industrial equipment. Its huge cargo compartment allows it to carry items that simply cannot fit inside ordinary cargo aircraft. One of its most impressive features is its loading system. The aircraft has enormous cargo doors and ramps, allowing heavy machinery to be driven directly inside. It can carry well over 100 tons of cargo, depending on the version and mission. The An-124 was built for one simple purpose: moving gigantic things through the sky.
Number 8. Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. Coming in at number 8 is the Lockheed C-5 Galaxy, one of the largest military transport aircraft ever operated by the United States. The C-5 is roughly 75 meters long, with a wingspan of more than 67 meters, but its real strength is its enormous cargo capacity. The aircraft was designed to transport tanks, helicopters, trucks, troops, and other military equipment over intercontinental distances. Both the front and rear sections of the aircraft can be opened, making loading and unloading much easier. Imagine a giant hangar flying through the sky. That is essentially what the C-5 Galaxy was designed to be.
Number 7. Airbus A340-600. At number 7, we have the Airbus A340-600, one of the longest passenger aircraft ever built. The A340-600 stretches approximately 75 meters from nose to tail. Despite its incredible length, it was designed to operate as a long-range commercial airliner. With 4 engines mounted beneath its wings, the aircraft could carry hundreds of passengers across continents and oceans. The A340-600 is particularly interesting because its enormous length gives it a unique appearance. From certain angles, it almost looks like the aircraft has been stretched far beyond the proportions of a normal airliner. It represents an era when 4-engine aircraft were still an important part of long-distance commercial aviation.
Number 6. Boeing 777-300ER. At number 6 is the Boeing 777-300ER, one of the largest and most successful twin-engine passenger aircraft ever built. It has a length of more than 73 meters and a wingspan of around 65 meters. Despite having only 2 engines, the aircraft is capable of carrying hundreds of passengers over extremely long distances. Its enormous engines are among the most powerful ever installed on a commercial airliner. The 777-300ER became especially popular with airlines because it combined huge passenger capacity, long range, and relatively efficient operation. It proved that modern technology could allow a 2-engine aircraft to perform missions once dominated by 4-engine giants.
Number 5. Antonov An-225 Antei. At number 5 is the Antonov An-225 Antei, a legendary Soviet heavy transport aircraft and one of the largest turboprop-powered airplanes ever built. The An-225 was enormous for its time. It featured 4 giant turboprop engines, each driving multiple bladed propellers. Its mission was to transport extremely heavy military and industrial cargo across vast distances. The aircraft's huge fuselage and distinctive high-mounted wings made it instantly recognizable. It could operate from runways that were not necessarily suitable for much larger jet transports, making it particularly useful for military logistics. Even decades after its introduction, the An-22 remains one of the most fascinating heavy aircraft ever created.
Number 4. Boeing 747 Dreamlifter. At number 4 is an aircraft that looks almost unreal, the Boeing 747 Dreamlifter. Based on the Boeing 747, this aircraft was heavily modified to create an enormous cargo volume. Its expanded upper fuselage gives it a strange, oversized appearance, almost like a normal 747 was inflated. The Dreamlifter was developed to transport large sections of Boeing's aircraft between manufacturing facilities around the world. Its cargo volume is more important than simply its weight capacity. The aircraft can carry gigantic aircraft components that would be impossible to transport using conventional cargo planes. When you see a Dreamlifter next to a normal airplane, its unusual proportions immediately become obvious.
Number 3. Airbus Beluga XL. Taking the number 3 spot is the Airbus Beluga XL, another aircraft designed around one very unusual requirement: carrying enormous objects inside its fuselage. The Beluga XL was developed to transport large aircraft components between Airbus production facilities. Its massive upper fuselage gives it the appearance of a giant flying whale, which explains the Beluga name. The aircraft is based on the Airbus A330, but its fuselage was extensively modified to create an enormous internal cargo area. Although it may not be the heaviest aircraft on this list, its unique shape and massive internal volume make it one of the most extraordinary aircraft ever built. And unlike many record-breaking aircraft, the Beluga XL was created for a very practical reason: keeping a global aircraft manufacturing network moving. Number 2. Antonov An-225 Mriya. At number 2 is the legendary Antonov An-225 Mriya, an aircraft that became famous around the world for its incredible size. The An-225 was approximately 84 meters long and had a wingspan of nearly 89 meters. It was powered by 6 massive jet engines. Originally developed to transport the Soviet Buran space shuttle and other extremely large payloads, the aircraft later became a specialized heavy cargo transporter. The An-225 could carry exceptionally heavy loads, making it the aircraft of choice for some of the world's most challenging cargo missions. For years, it held numerous aviation records, including records related to payload weight and cargo transportation. Number 1. Stratolaunch Roc. And finally, at number 1, we have the Stratolaunch Roc. With a wingspan of approximately 117 meters, the Roc has the largest wingspan of any aircraft ever flown. That is wider than the wingspan of many football fields. But the most unusual thing about the Roc is that it isn't a conventional airplane. It features 2 fuselages connected by an enormous central wing. The aircraft was designed as an airborne launch platform intended to carry rockets into the atmosphere before releasing them for space launch missions. The Roc uses 6 jet engines and has an enormous maximum takeoff weight. Standing beside it, even a large commercial airliner looks surprisingly small. And that's what makes the Stratolaunch Roc such an incredible machine. From the massive Boeing 747-8 to the legendary An-225 and the record-breaking Stratolaunch Roc, these aircraft show just how far engineers have pushed the limits of size and weight. Some were built to carry passengers, some to transport tanks and machinery, and others to carry gigantic aircraft parts or even launch systems. But they all have one thing in common. They prove that when humans decide to build something enormous, the sky isn't necessarily the limit.